Hey, let's flip the usual perspective for a moment. You know that disappointment that creeps in when your big TV looks huge but still feels flat and uninspiring? That's exactly what makes the TCL 85T7 series feel like a real turning point when you finally sit in front of it. This is for the kind of person who wants presence in every frame, not just size. You don't just watch shows and play games. You experience them. You want visuals that feel alive, sound that feels dimensional, and a picture that carries you into the world on screen instead of sitting passively at the edge of it. Before anything else, take a second to check the current price and availability. Screens this impressive don't stay in I'll think about it mode forever, and timing really does matter here. There's usually a moment right before this upgrade where you realize your current display is doing you a disservice. Maybe colors look washed out. Maybe details disappear in dark scenes. Maybe your old TV feels like a compromise rather than an asset. That's when the itch stops being about size, and becomes about quality. The first few hours with this TV feel like someone opened a door in your living room. The QLED picture doesn't just show color, it breathes it. Bright areas feel bright without bleeding. Dark areas feel nuanced instead of dull. Motion feels fluid in games and sports, like the world is unfolding instead of being compressed into discrete frames. Imagine watching your favorite movie and actually seeing texture in the shadows you never noticed before. Imagine gaming where you feel connected to the action because everything is smooth and responsive instead of hesitant. Imagine family gatherings where everyone looks at the screen and actually feels it together instead of just observing. Once you live with that kind of presence, going back feels like watching through a narrow window instead of standing inside the scene itself. Every time you look at weaker displays, they feel flat and distant compared to this vivid experience. If you're thinking about waiting, don't assume the timing will be kind. Check availability now, because screens this size and quality often move quickly once people realize what they're missing. You might wonder if this much TV is too much for everyday use. That doubt vanishes when you realize it doesn't overwhelm, it immerses. The picture stays clean, sharp, and inviting, not harsh or artificial. Here's the part most people don't expect, it actually changes how often you use your TV. You find yourself starting shows earlier, watching games with friends, sharing visual moments, because it feels good to sit in front of something this alive. Owning a screen like this gives your living space a different energy. It feels central. It feels intentional. It feels like the place people gather, not just the place people watch. Color feels rich and convincing, movement feels smooth and effortless, shows feel cinematic, not flat, games feel immediate and engaging, your room feels like a shared experience, it's large. Plan your space. Premium visuals mean premium expectations. Eventually, the comparison loop loses its pull. You stop jumping between specs and realize you already feel the difference every time you turn it on. At some point, choosing what truly elevates your experience feels easier than delaying. If you're ready to transform moments into memories instead of just watching them, check the current price and availability of the TCL 85T7 series now. Don't let this be one of those upgrades you look back on wondering why you waited so long.